Know your worth. Just don't make one up. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another midweek build. Hopefully these videos make your week a little more bearable and give you an excuse to disappear into the workshop for a few hours. Today we're building something I found on Etsy. At first glance it looks fairly simple, until you notice the price tag. Apparently this masterpiece is worth around 750 bucks. Listen, I'm all for valuing your work, but this is taking the piss. Maybe I'm missing something, so I'll let you be the judge. By the end of this video, we'll compare my version with the original and decide whether it's genuinely worth that kind of a money, or whether someone accidentally held down the zero key for a bit too long. Heavily stained and varnished timber, probably a bed at some point in its life, but we don't need to dwell on that. It has a much brighter future now. Strip the old finish off and by the end of this it'll look like a brand new wood, which is great for the timber and deeply inconvenient for everyone who insists old furniture is beyond saving. To those already composing comments about my tools rather than the project, yes, they're all there. Yes, I'm using them. Yes, you may drool. Took years to collect them, one tool at a time, and I fully intend to use every single one. Funny how that works. Half the size of the original Etsy version. And here is the brutally honest reason why. Lovely project, no argument. The original creator has every right to be proud. But this is not something I would ever use, display, gift, or look at voluntarily. I went through my entire contact list, every single person I've ever met, and found nobody on this planet I could give it to with a clear conscience. If you watch this channel long enough, you already know I'm a bit of a socially awkward personality. So statistically, you probably know more people than me, which means you might actually find someone to give this to. Good for you. It absolutely has its place on Etsy at a more reasonable price and someone out there will buy it and be genuinely thrilled about it. For my piece, however, the most dignified ending available is a bonfire, with an adult beverage in hand watching it go up in flames, and I want you to know I am genuinely looking forward to that moment. I know I haven't talked much about the build process, but you should be used to that by now. Worth mentioning that instead of just glue, I've decided to pretend I'm a professional and added some oak dowels for reinforcement. Oak can now also be mentioned in the Etsy listing, which might significantly increase the perceived value of this item. Amazing what one word can do for the price tag. I am fully aware that the correct approach is waiting for this to dry before touching it with flash cut saw. Fully aware. But time is not exactly on my side today, and the video title has made certain promises that the glue drying schedule is not respecting. We're improvising, as always. First clue of what we're building today: 45-degree angle cuts. A process I find genuinely dreadful for reasons that will become clear shortly. Pay close attention to how far I'm positioning myself from the potential kickback zone, because the distance is a direct, accurate representation of my enthusiasm for this step. I've done this before, I know what can happen, and I have chosen to respect that knowledge fully. If you're still here, Genuinely thank you, it means more than you think. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing while you're at it. And I know a lot of you are watching football right now, so if you somehow manage to squeeze this video in between matches, you can officially consider yourself my friend. Feel free to tell your other friends about it, all 3 of them. If the penny still hasn't dropped, then this is your light bulb moment. You're welcome. All these pieces with their very precisely cut 45-degree angles are evenly spaced and attached to the main board. Screws are handling the fixing because the back of this extraordinarily valuable and breathtakingly expensive masterpiece will spend its entire existence facing a wall and will never be seen by another human being. No point wasting good joinery on that. I'll leave you with your thoughts now, whether your guess is good enough to put in the comment section or so completely ridiculous it absolutely has to go in there regardless. Either way, the comment section wants to hear it. Final reveal is coming and I promise it won't take long. And there it is, a 45-degree mug collection display shelf. Let me show you the original listing. The one currently on Etsy holds 6 standing mugs and 8 hanging, which is genuinely impressive. Whether any of that justifies the price they set is a completely separate and very interesting conversation. Like and comment if you enjoyed this. Free, easy and genuinely appreciated. Now go watch these videos next and help me inch slightly closer to the dream of living entirely off this channel income. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.